Kabula, malaking balita ang gumulantang sa mundo ng sports, especially sa PBL, kasi naglabas na ang mensahe ang management ng Cherry Tigo sa kanilang dispatchment. Heavy heart, we announced the closing of Cherry Tigo EV crossover chapter after unforgettable years in professional volleyball. From the beginning as a Fortune Tornadoes to our journey as a Cherry Tigo EV crossover, we celebrate the milestone, the championship, the talent we develop, and representing the Philippines in the biggest stage. To our leagues, sponsor, staff, and most especially to our beloved players, past and present, thank you for your dedication and heart. To our incredible fans, you have been the soul of this team. Your unwavering support made this journey extraordinary. The legacy of resilience, teamwork, and spirit of Cherry Tigo EV Crossover will ensure we are proudly grateful for every moment. Paalam, Cherry Tigo. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please click and subscribe the bell button in your window. Tala, good news naman, halos lahat ng team members ay may mga offer na sa ibang mga team. Nayang lang kasi ang first PBL champion ay biglang nawala. Halos lahat ng mga member ay nagbigay ng mga mensahe, especially ang kanilang kapitana na si Chang Abby Maranyo. I still can't find the right word for the pain sitting in my chest. For the 2 years I lived and breathed this team. I walk into the court every day surrounded not just my teammate but my family. I never know I would find. It's break my heart to know that the journey together has come to an end. I don't want to leave any of you. Your voices, your laughter, and your encouragement, your fire during every rallies. These are the moments that shape me, strengthen me, and stay with me far beyond the sport. Sabi ni Chang Ami, when a door closes, the veranda's open. But may bagong sisibol na naman sa PBL ngayong 2026. Abangan natin sa mga susunod na mga araw. Please subscribe and comment down below.